Hi, my name is Christine Dupont, and I'm one of the authors on microbiology, the new textbook by Wessner, Dupont, and Charles. My background, research started in New Zealand, of all places. I moved there from Ontario, where I taught high school, so it's rather convoluted, and started doing a PhD at Massey University on sheep, New Zealand. And the organism I was working with causes a disease in sheep called Johne's disease. So it's similar to Crohn's disease in humans. It's a nasty disease, and it's caused by a mycobacterium. So that was along my lines of interest in intracellular pathogens. Many years before that, I had done my master's degree in virology, working with an insect virus. And in New Zealand, we were basically doing vaccine-related research, pulling antigens out of gene libraries and analyzing them for immunological responses. And so in that lab, I did a lot of molecular biology, some genomics, and a lot of field work as well. We were isolating mycobacteria from New Zealand fur seals when they came into the postmortem room, and nobody knew New Zealand fur seals could get tuberculosis, but that's what they had. And while I was doing my postdoc, I started looking for other positions, and this one came up at the University of Waterloo, and it was a lecturer position. Not too many lecturer positions came up. I was the first lecturer hired in the Department of Biology, but the advertisement had me written all over it with my teaching background, and it was going to be a large part microbiology, molecular biology, and so that was in 2003. My interest in teaching microbiology really came from, my own intrinsic interests in microbiology. And for me, that started when I took my first micro course. I was hooked. I, immediately saw that there was this whole other realm of microorganisms that I didn't know anything about, that we had these relationships with, and I needed to know more, and started realizing that they were at the root of life on this planet, and that's what got me interested in microbes. And really what I saw is my students who come to me now, most of them are still sort of in that animal, human, maybe plant mode of their interest, and not realizing the impact that microbes have on the world ecology, and again, their relationship with us, and they're important for our good health as well as causing disease.